Ground floor plan and first floor plan design. Ground floor plan, no bedroom, only kitchen, family living, hall, big dining, and ground floor. And first floor plan, ground floor, no bedroom, first floor plan, 4 bedroom, all attached bathroom. We will see this entrance, ground floor entrance, our step, and this column design for elevation design, and this entrance, this family living, 600 by 440, and this side our hall, this side given window design, continue frame design, window, and here Majlis 500 by 890, this side, and this side lobby, and this wonderful nice stair design, and this window, continue window to roof floor, full glass, this tile floor lobby, this tile floor design, this lobby 910 by 450, 910 by 450 with all stair. This kitchen arch design 620 by 600 centimeter. This side window, sink area window, this side window also for design, and kitchen back entrance also. This washroom, this dining 500 by 600 centimeter. This washroom 180 by 270. Water closet 180 by 180. Here window for exhaust, ventilation and exhaust. Water closet, wash basin given here. Here 3 wash basin. Dining area, window frame given in 2 divisions for elevation design. This slide door for from hall to Majlis hall to dining. This side window given in 2 division going continue first floor. This ground floor plan, no bedroom, only family living, hall, dining, kitchen. And this first floor plan, nice plan, lobby 840 by 450 centimeter. This bedroom 410 by 440, and this attached bathroom and dress 180 by 220. This bathroom 180 by 210. This dress, no window, no need window. This area for bathroom, window for ventilation. Shower tray, water closet, wash basin here mentioned. This big master bedroom 720 by 670, and this balcony, and window design, and this pillar coming from ground floor. This one, this 2 pillar coming, and this first floor here. This window design in 2 frame. This window, same frame coming, continue. No half window for elevation design. This also window, same window. Here, this 2 window coming, first floor, same frame. This attached bathroom, this dress area, and this bathroom, this is small hot tub, shower tray, and this separate toilet, wash basin here, this window for ventilation. This side, another bedroom, 5 meter by 460 centimeter. This dress area, cupboard, and here also cupboard. This 190 by 260 bathroom, and this window for ventilation. Same size, this bedroom again, 190 by 180. This bedroom 420 by 460, 190 by 260. This bathroom, shower tray, wash basin, water closet, already mentioned. This ventilation for exhaust. This window coming from this kitchen for window design. So this floor plan, first floor plan, 4 bedroom, ground floor plan, service, hall, kitchen, dining, and family room. Family living. Elevation, nice elevation design for arch and column arch and nice stair. Good design floor plan and nice plan. Thank you. Like and subscribe.